I don't know what some Yorubas see in bringing Igbos down. My people, you don't read though. Come see this girl, this Yoruba girl, one go do advertise on her, so you go take in hand, like himself for big wahala with the trend on social media right now. But you get waiting, I want to show you for this video. You see the way the Yorubas on social media are spreading tribalism across the Igbos. And for one day, no arrest has been made against the Yorubas. You see, when some tribes stand up and threat the Igbos, see yet, no arrest was made by DSS. But today, you will find an Igbo man who expressed himself on social media that if the military would take over the country, it could have more better. They say that the DSS, Piam, don't run, go Port Harcourt. Go carry this young man. I'm going to play the video for you to watch. As you watch him, make you share this video. The handwriting is written on the wall and it's very clear to every average Igbo man. But you are watching closely. We are not weak, but we are watching. Watch the video before we come back and continue.
Nigerians, so the DSS or official DSS have arrested one Mr. Innocent Chukwuma. The guy stays in Oyibo, Port Harcourt, Rivers State. So they arrested him yesterday. Today is 29th of October 2025, while yesterday was 28th, right? So they arrested the guy over a post he made on X, formerly called Twitter. So I'll read the post according to the Innocent Chukwuma, what he posted that made DSS to arrest him. Now, let me read what the guy posted on X. According to the Innocent Chukwuma, he wrote, "A coup in Nigeria is needed. Dispose of APC, suspend the Nigerian government, and join the AES. This is all, okay, that is all we need now. It will happen eventually. Nigerians, the military needs your support now. Only them can save this country. The bastards in Aso Rock has basically sold this country to the West, and they run our intelligence apparatus. Okay, intelligence apparatus. Only the military can reset this country. So support them now." So this is what Chukwuma, Innocent, posted. Then the DSS, they just swing into action immediately, and they were able to track him, and they got him arrested. So if you are Chukwuma's friend, Innocent Chukwuma from Oyibo, if you're looking for Innocent Chukwuma, he's with the DSS. You don't understand? Because right now, it seems that the DSS is only made for people that come after the presidency, all these things. You know, say you observe him, because this guy here, this bandit here is a TikToker. His presence is well known on TikTok. This guy here. But the DSS have not tracked this guy to arrest him. They have not. This guy goes live on TikTok. This bandit, he goes live on now TikTok ID. He's a TikToker. The DSS not ever sent to arrest. I never see person where DSS track and get him, if not anybody that goes after the presidency. So when I say, when I come out to shout, say we are in trouble in this country, I know the joke. We are in big trouble. We are in trouble. We are not just facing bandits alone. Say no, we face even the government of APC. Once you talk, they arrest you. Once you talk, they fetch you. To get your location, a small thing, but to get bandits' location, it's hard for them.
The hate from Bokumat against the Igbos must be addressed. If you're an Igbo person, draw close. This is not the time for you to just walk past and play ignorant to the systematic hate against the Igbos in Nigeria. So Boku Bread came out in their ad and called all the Igbos and said that all the Igbos are cheaters in their ad. I will play the video for you to listen before we go further. Now, listen to the video.
Boku, but 250 at the market. So even I can get beans and Gary Jebu at Boku without any Omoibo cheating me. Oh, man, I start questioning my reality.
So that's the part. I just played the part for you. They brought beans and Ijebu Gari and said it's better to buy it in Boku before Omo Igbo cheats you. So for them, Omo Igbo are cheaters. The owner of Boku is a Yoruba man. The girl that did the advert is a Yoruba girl. What does it tell you? The hate against the Igbos are systematic. And these are the things we have been calling out every day. That this is a danger, that the tribalism that is instilled in the blood of certain Yorubas, certain, not all of them, that it is too much and that it will drive and destroy Nigeria. But a lot of them are still promoting it even up till today. Tell me why an organization like Boku will do this ad video, preview and review it, and see it appropriate to send out to the media. This law against the Igbos. Anybody that wants to say anything now, the convenient people to throw punch at is the Igbos. Why? Because the Igbos always forget, the Igbos always forgive. And that is why this young lady, this is her handle on TikTok. This is why she had the guts to make that statement that Omo Igbo cheats you. Is it Igbo people that sell Ijebu Gari in Lagos? Is it Igbo people that sell beans in Lagos? Ijebu Gari and beans are mostly sold by Yoruba women. And that is to tell you the hate. It is systematic. Tell me, how did this young lady grow with this mentality that Omo Igbo cheats? If not a systematic thing that has been concocted into her. And she finds it convenient to spill it out. If you go to Boku, around Lagos, most of Boku's customers are Igbos. So it is shocking to me that Boku will wake up and say that Omo Igbos are cheaters. See, let me tell you, if you're an Igbo person, don't be careless. If you're an Igbo person, don't be a careless person. If you're an Igbo person, this is not the time to be careless and just say it doesn't mean anything. No, it means a lot. Me, I shop at Boku, but the moment I saw this video, the thing I usually buy from Boku appeared different for me. Because I will not use my money to empower somebody that promotes hate against the Igbos. I will not do that. I'm not foolish to that level. I'm not foolish to that level. The hate is just too much. We are still talking about a young man, an Igbo man, boy in Lagos, whose shop was single-handedly pointed, it was singled out and destroyed without notice. All his property gone. And this one again. This thing is systematic. It is in the blood. And if we don't fight it, it will persist. Stop being ignorant. Stop being ignorant, saying it doesn't mean anything. You must be sensitive. The insensitivity from Boku, Matt, is too much. The insensitivity. Omo Igbo cheats you. So it's only Omo Igbo that cheats. And that is why when I compare this with what very dark man said when he pointed out B-Lord, it's too much of a coincidence or whatever. If you have alternative, present it to the people. What is the problem with Omo Igbo? Omo Igbo. We must call these things out and pinpoint them. Stop playing blind eyes to them and say, let's just be going. You have to call it out. What it is, call a spade a spade. If not, it will not die off. And this is a young lady, a young girl at this age with the mentality that Omo Igbo cheats. How much more those, the ones that are advanced, who are the ones that invented it and are the one promoting it? How much more those people? Well, as for now, if you're an Igbo person, you have to send a message to Boku. Stop shopping there because any day you shop there and problem arise and you're an Igbo person, trust me, you are guilty before they start the case. Imagine you go into a Boku now, something happens. This act shows you that you are guilty before they start judging the case. Because the perception is that you are a cheater. So should anything happen when you are going to shop, before they start judging the matter, you're already guilty. So why put yourself in such terrible position? So be wise. Be wise.
My people, I want you to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as it read.